Hi, I'm Dr. Lindsay Trottier, and today I'm going to show you how to use the foam roller to open up your glutes and hamstrings. This is good for anyone who sits a lot at their desk for work, who's driving a lot, who has a tight back, knee pain, hip pain, sciatica. All you need is the foam roller and a little bit of balance, but I'm going to show you some really easy ways to work into it and some more advanced moves. Okay, so the hamstrings and the glutes are really supportive muscles for the low back. The hamstrings, which are these muscles in the back of your legs, they are responsible for helping bend your knee, for hip extension. The glutes are also supportive for hip extension. They are the big glutes, the maximus and the medius are your power muscles. So they are helping with walking, running, a lot of big active movements, okay? When these get really tight and restricted, they almost act like they're weak, they're not working. And when we can get them to open up, you're gonna have a lot more balance in your movement and you're going to feel a lot better in your back, hips, and knees. So you need a foam roller. I'm gonna show you what you can do. So getting on the ground, you are going to simply place the foam roller like this and sit down. Okay, so I like to start with my hamstrings first and then move to the glutes. So sitting with this part right where the glutes meet the legs, sitting on the hamstring. Already I'm starting to feel this opening up. It's going to feel like a deep tissue massage that you can control. If this is easy and you want to move on, what you can do is start moving your legs back and forth. So I'm going to scoot back a little bit so you can see my feet. Okay? And just windshield wiper your feet. This is step one, really easy. It's going to work those muscles. Okay? If you find this too easy, you can lean more onto one and start rolling back and forth. And then the other side, back and forth. Okay? Eventually, you are going to do the whole length from glutes to knees. Leaning to get deeper into the muscle, or even crossing over to put more pressure. Okay, and you can sit upright too and really lean forward, hinging, not collapsing. Okay, keeping a relatively straight back to get deeper into these hamstrings. Okay, now rolling a little bit further, we are now on the glutes. And again, if this is enough with your knees bent and just rocking side to side, that's going to be great for opening up those attachments on the sacrum, that flat bone underneath your lumbar spine. But if you want to get deeper into it, you can lean to one side, cross over your top leg, and start rolling back and forth with an arm to support you. Okay? You can go all the way up to the top of your hip and all the way down to where your glutes meet your legs. Back and forth, and then rocking side to side. So on this side, this might be enough for you. Leaning over, back and forth, and side to side. In traditional Chinese medicine, the meridians affected are the urinary bladder and the gallbladder. They are deeply tied to our neurological health, and they get easily stressed when we're feeling overburdened. So emotionally, if you just are feeling a lot of stress, maybe it's not translating to actual pain, but you can still use this as a tool to relax your nervous system. I'm Dr. Lindsay Trottier. I'm a doctor of acupuncture and Chinese medicine practicing in San Diego, California. The name of my practice is Level Acupuncture. If you liked this video, go ahead and like and subscribe, and let me know what other videos you think I should make to help you with different conditions. Thanks and have a great day.